Hey everyone, Ty Kuppig here with Tiger Productions. For today's summer cocktail, we're going to be making the Silver Daisy, which is a rum-based rendition of the classic French 75 that we all know and love. For today's cocktail, we're using Veuve Clicquot champagne, lightly aged rum, Angostura bitters, freshly squeezed lime juice, and simple syrup. So grab your shaker and let's get started. So first off, we'll add 1.5 ounces of lightly aged rum. Next up, we're going to use 1/2 ounce of triple sec for a nice bit of orange flavor. Next up, 3/4 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. And then 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. All right, now ice. And then give it a good shake. Now strain into a champagne flute. And finally, top with Veuve Clicquot. Cheers.